product we are going to need is hair mousse. This guy here, and hair mousse is perfect to pump up the volume in your hair without compromising on hold. And second product we are going to use is DIY scissor spray, and that will give us great texture, flexible hold, and that messy wavy look. So guys, you don't have to necessarily use the same exact products. You can use any hair mousse and any scissor spray you'd like. Alright, now let's go ahead and do the hairstyle. So first we start with the hair mousse, and we apply the product into the palms and then spread it evenly through damp hair. Second, we apply scissor spray and at the root area, and if you have thick hair you can apply a bit more. And finally we blow dry hair, and in this case you can use the highest speed settings and go crazy with it, like blow drying in every direction to give your hair that messy and wavy look. And that's it. As you see guys, hair looks that wavy and messy with great texture and definition. And if you'd like to add some control to it or more hold to it, you can use finishing product.